Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. In this video I am going to unbox the iron that I bought recently from the Flipkart. So this video is going to be very useful and informative for all those who really want to buy iron from the Flipkart. To know the quality and all things, please watch my video completely till the end to know everything, that the quality is really good or not. So let's start the video. So in this box we are getting one warranty card that is for 2 years. So please keep this warranty card safe, please, so that you can further use that warranty card for any damages. So overall the packaging and all everything is very nice, and the quality of the iron is also very good. So you can definitely go for this iron. So this is all about today's video, and also the original price of this video is around 1000, but after discount I got this iron at rupees 540 only. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to like my video, and please comment if you had any queries, and thank you for watching.